Should we watch a YouTube video? Or what do you want to do?
What can we do?
Oh, well,
Oh, okay, so they're not that long, which is good.
that's good. You deranked or what?
No.
Yeah, you did!
Have you even played Juno?
Juno.
Yes. Juno.
I don't like her, so sorry.
Piano.
Not happening on my watch. Do you want me to play Juno? No, actually, yeah, I will play Juno. My mic
But
is
if you wanna play.
good! Oh, she double jumps. What the fuck? What battle are you fighting?
He's
What if I
1
just-
HP!
I'm just gonna heal you.
Soldier
DPS
low.
then. Go, soldier. Shit.
Soldier.
Oh, soldier.
Watch out for Reinhardt.
Who even is soldier? I forget. Soldier is the Canadian?
Yeah.
Shit. I like how no one's pushing the robot. Cool.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
Help me! Oh,
Why did you throw him a ring?
I did. I didn't know. I don't know. Oh,
We need to heal him.
what did this do?
I nanoed him. I
Oh!
nanoed Bethany!
Use that.
No!
Thank me later.
You can fuck off.
What the fuck?
I'm so godly. But,
That's who. Oh, she just
Me.
has instant like double jump.
yeah.
She literally only aimed for me.
Right.
She only aimed for me. Whatever.
You are doing bad on heals, which is actually surprising.
What the fuck? We're playing mystery heroes or
Something.
like holy fuck? What a lackluster
Yeah,
fucking
Martin.
performance.
Yeah, literally our tank fed.
Round of applause for our fucking tank, everyone. Give a big old round of a fucking applause, bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. And yeah, bitch. And guess what, motherfucker? I rock you in everything. I rock you in all the fucking categories in this fucking game.
Clack.
And bitch, 1v1 me. 1v1 me.
Alright, buddy.
1v1 me, motherfucker. 1v1 me, motherfucker. How about them apples? You're whack ass diva, eat my pussy. Sorry.
Jesus Christ. 3, 2, 1.
Where are you?
We're actually
She is
doing
so.
pretty good. We're actually doing
she-
fucking good. Guys, we're doing great.
What are your guys' pronouns?
Is it okay if I touch you during our consultation?
Fast, fast. Tell me your pronouns.
We're doing. What the hell are you? What?
What? Oh, how did you survive that?
I'm literally got you. That's why.
Not quite, but.
Oh my! Look at the kill feed. Can we just acknowledge my holiness?
I'm the reason our tank died. I'm the reason our tank died.
I'm
I would
doing
like
it. I don't care.
Oh, stole that kill.
Go 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 go.
Go! Where are we going? Where we went nowhere?
I'm dead. No.
No!
You died.
I'm
What are
dead.
you doing up front?
No! I kind of have to shit. What do I do? What do I do? Wait, I need to pee. Be right back. Wait, let me first go into competitive because I know that competitive takes forever to queue in. Why the fuck am I in this? Why am I literally in open queue?
5, 4, 3,
Hey.
2, 1.
Hey, Robins.
Hey!
Hey!
Oh, don't tease me, motherfucker. Oh, shite. Oops. I got you, girl! Girl! Oh, shit! Sorry. So, are we gonna group up? Yeah, we're not winning this one. Oh.
I need healing.
Dodge that. Dodge. Oh shit.
Team kill.
Hey team. So what the fuck is going on? Right.
Uy, vete a la
Bro,
verga.
what is wrong with this team, bro? So what's going on? Can we talk about it real quick? Just really fast?
To 0. Switching
Like just
sides.
really quick. Soldier, is this like your first game here or like what?
But stay close to me.
No answer. No answer from me? You don't want no answer?
Guys,
Defeat.
Oh my
No, había dicho que tu compañero está en mal.
Play of the game.
Cristo, muy
So baby cakes, I don't wanna go to school. I just wanna break the rules. So it's a new day, and yeah, I'm gonna figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure out. Let's hope this queue is not so long. Dip, dip. Oh, that's how I know I'm getting fucking obese. Cause what the? Why am I out of cut? Just fucking cut.
Let's see it turn. Bag it up, 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 bag it up. Oh! Hell no.
Okay, we got a game. Oh, the game already started. The game's already over. What the fuck? What the hell?
Cause we gon' rumble in this motherfucker.
The second night was lost. Hope
Are you kidding me?
0 to 2.
Hello? Oh, this game. This game mode is dog shit. I'm sorry. Blizzard, what the fuck were you guys thinking? Like, genuinely, what the fuck? Ay, my sissy! I'm playing her so bad.
you wanna do with me? I would beat your ass. I would stump you on game.
I'm not that good at Kiriko, I'm telling you right now. I'm really bad at Kiriko. Well, this is fun. Oh no, I lucked away for a second. No, bitch, I don't want to play this shit. This shit is so whack. I am so sorry. No, I'm not playing it. Fuck that shit. Girl, this game is boring. I'm gonna be so for real. Let's make sure we don't put open queue again. Why the fuck am I in this? Thank you. Thank you for giving me this drink. You are. Thank you for giving me this drink. You are. Damn, I'm just taking fucking forever. I have to target shit. I'm sorry, team, I have to target shit. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. Hurry up, please. Oh, they invited me to a phone interview. Oh my gosh. Wait. I got a phone interview for a job. Shit. I need to tap into that because right now I am in the negative. So we need money.
Money,
honey.
Check it. I don't even know if it's oh. Nicki Minaj dropping a big fat turd on the cam. Bro, look at this shit. Look at this. Oh, fucking finally, bruh. Lesbian represent. Oh, lesbian rep. I can't say the full word, so I'm just gonna say rep. It's 7 o'clock. Hello.
Finger down if you've been personally victimized by Gabby Hanna. She's creepily obsessed with stuff.
At a time.
He just left the fucking. Did I say something bad? I'm sorry. Guys, I'm like low-key wet and wild right now. I'm like wet and fucking wild. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that was good. That was so good. I like clocked. I locked in so hard. I was gonna say I clocked in. I wish I clocked in. I need a fucking job so bad. No!
I will achieve it next time. I think.
I think. I am. No, I'm trapped. We finally want something. Oh my goodness, finally. Go! Go! I literally am the reason why we got this point. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're bow down. Bow down. Bow down.
Wayne is back. Bow down.
I am your leader. Yes, I am your leader. Yes, I'm your leader. Yes, I am your leader. You are not a believer. Suck up it. Am I right, ladies? Shit! No! Well, that was a fucking blast to the past. Said no one ever. Get me off this fuck ass game.